Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about MT11 Intelligent Recognition and Tracking. The UniPod MT11 Mini Quad Sensor AI Gimbal is a fully upgraded version compared to the first generation. It comes with a built-in 10 TOPS AI computing module, which enables object recognition, tracking, and AI super resolution without the need for an external AI unit. The MT11 supports multiple AI models, allowing it to recognize and track different types of targets. It can highlight objects of interest with a bounding box, switch to intelligent tracking with a single tap, and maintain real-time target capture with high accuracy. AI super resolution further enhances image quality, making details clearer in both visible light and thermal imaging. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, please subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.